One of the worst industrial disasters in history took place in the city of Bhopal, India, during the night of December 2nd to 3rd, 1984. Known as the Bhopal Gas Tragedy, it occurred when toxic gas was released from the Union Carbide pesticide plant, resulting in the loss of thousands of lives and leaving a lasting impact on the survivors. This incident serves as a stark reminder of the consequences stemming from negligence in the industrial sector and the ongoing struggle for justice that persists even decades later. The Bhopal gas tragedy was the result of a leak of methyl isocyanate (MIC) gas from the Union Carbide plant. Immediately after the incident, a significant loss of life occurred and estimates of the death toll ranged from 3,800 to 16,000 individuals. Survivors suffered severe injuries and health problems due to the toxic gas, leading to many experiencing ongoing ailments and disabilities. Following the tragedy, numerous legal battles ensued in pursuit of compensation and justice for the victims. India's Supreme Court recently dismissed a plea for further compensation for those affected by the Bhopal gas disaster of 1984. The court cited the impossibility of revisiting the matter 3 decades after the initial settlement. The gas leak from Union Carbide's plant claimed the lives of thousands, making it the most catastrophic industrial disaster in the world. Dow Chemicals, the company that acquired Union Carbide, argued that the 1989 settlement was equitable and final. While the Indian government reported a significant death toll from the gas leak, campaigners assert that the actual figure is much higher. In 2010, 7 former managers at the plant were convicted, but many victims and supporters believe that justice has not been fully served. The original settlement in 1989 amounted to $470 million, which prompted the victims to file an appeal seeking $3.3 billion. The Supreme Court dismissed this plea for increased compensation, deeming it lacking in merit and not maintainable under current law. A separate request for a retrial of the case was also rejected in 2011. Even after nearly 4 decades, the people of Bhopal continue to grapple with the consequences of the disaster. Many survivors still face health issues, including respiratory problems, skin disorders, and birth defects. Moreover, the toxic waste left at the abandoned Union Carbide plant site perpetually pollutes the environment and groundwater, adding to the ongoing challenges experienced by the community. The Bhopal gas tragedy remains a solemn chapter in human history, emphasizing the significance of corporate accountability and the need for responsible practices in the corporate world.